Things should be running. Here we go. Both platforms. We're good on the YouTubes. How about the Twitch? The Twitch. Are we live? It appears we are. Oh, gross. I don't want to hear other people's channels. No, let me see my channel, Twitch. You're silly. Hold on, people. Yeah, this is good. I don't really care to verify if the audio's good. It's good. I know it's good. Everything I do is perfect. And good. Alright, so today we want to fix some things. I got a little bit of code. It does a thing. That thing specifically being allowing me to upload cogs, since most functionality is going to be done through cogs. Like the character creation and fun things. And I want this thing hosted full-time on one of my Pis, so everything's gonna be cogs. So we need a command to take the cog that we then upload and put it into the experimental folder. So we'll call that promote. We'll just do like promote and demote as my commands, because I don't know. There's not any solid, good rationale behind that. It's just a thing we're doing. I'd like to get, where is it? The restream chat. Lol. Ain't showing me on Twitch, that's fine. That's alright. It's alright. Not like we need it. Okay. That's good. I'll just, ooh. Is this some Kirby music? Y'all will be listening to, We Shop channel music. I will be listening to my Spotify. Alright, so promote. Right here I have some code that we want to reuse, I think. So I don't know, maybe the first thing we'll do is rebuild those two functions. So you probably want to go into utilities, and what's this going to be, like a text function? I think it's going to be a text function. Oh god, I don't even remember what this was for. Why did I really input? I don't like regular expressions, so... but we did a class on it, and I'm a little bit mad that I imported this as re. The fucking silly shit I do gets with me. Alright, so... this stuff... I really hate this. I don't remember. I didn't comment it, and I didn't. It's simple enough, just checking what inputs I gave, but I really hate these lines of code. And it's duplicated here, so I think I'll make a text function for it. It should just be as simple as that. Well, that is the Illuminati. Thank you, phone. Where the heck is... I have things up. We're going to do a thing really quick. Okay. That's all good. So we need the bot to live. So let's make the bot aliveums. Why did we comment out the Opus library stuff? Oh. Because of the Raspberry Pi. Okay, so the bot's alive. That should give us absolutely no result, but it should give us no error. Gives us no error. Logging, that's another thing I should implement. Yeah, that'd be great. So... I think this is going to give us an error if we overwrite. Let's open up a folder really quick. Stream should have died for just a brief second. Make the bot alivent. Yes, that is the plan. Python synced, and we're just going to send it stuff it already has. So let's bring that back up. Where are we? Let's just send it something it already has. Example.py. We should get a response back. I received a file. I'll try to save it in the temp folder. And sure enough, here it is in the temp folder. So it receives cogs. It gives us the bonus message back. That's good. So I think I want to see what it does if I give it the same file. Is it going to overwrite it viciously? It probably is. So I'll go here and we'll just comment it. We'll just put some comments and be like, blargle, flargle, blargle flarge. There we go. And then we'll close that and send the same file again. I'm expecting it to overwrite the file. No errors, and the file is overwritten. So I think the ideal behavior is going to be, it receives a cog, it drops it into experimental. If it already exists in experimental, we want to move it into a folder just so that I don't 100% overwrite it. Just like as a backup, I don't know. Because I might send it some silly stuff that just was awful, I don't know. So let's do that. If message attachments ends with pi, now we need to do some OS stuff. For file name, I think we'll do this. And the directory we're going to look into is going to be experimental. Not quite yet. We'll rename temp to experimental hold. There we go. Much better. Alright, so we'll bring this back. I don't think we need to do that, no. Directory equals operating system list directory. That returns a list, right? Python os.lister. We're gonna go now check through some documentation. Return a list, good, containing the names of entries given by path. Alright. So this is gonna give us a list, so we can do some list functions. Directory equals os.listDirectory /e indicates that we're in home experimental okay, that should give us a list, and then if attachment in directory. So we're going to comment out the saving code just for now, and we're going to comment out message and put a new message. Await message.channel.send f-string the file attachment was found in directory. Ooh, I hope that's not going to give us an error. I think it will. And we don't currently have a way to reload the core, so we're going to kill the bot and bring it back to life. Now this should be wiggity whack. So we want to send example.py, I think. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, did it throw errors? Yes, it did. Cannot find the path specified. Experimental. Did I spell that wrong? Cogs experimental. Doi! One thing I would like to do is line. Lowercase cogs. There we go. Kill the bot again. Clown core? Google your own death. What the hell? Well, this fucking slaps. Now we'll try it again. Example, the file example was found in... Ew, there's a PyCache folder. Gross. Gross. So if you notice, my thing does not display those PyCache folders. They don't need to be displayed or shown. They're not useful in any way, shape, or form. They're just like a cache file. Fox capture plan. Well, that fucking slaps. What is this like? I don't know. This fucking slaps though. Followed by an else. Okay, here's a question that I'm going to pose to you. Should my default behavior happen in the first line and the secondary behavior happen in the next line? Because the default behavior, I don't know. Forget about it. Forget about it. Okay. I was thinking, you know, it'd be whack for like your BRB messages or whatever. If I just went to my own channel and just played a random video, that'd be whack. Let's use comments. That would be good. I'm curious if I spell anything wrong. Me dumb brain, so. Alright, let's kill the bot one more time. Let's do something like... We'll try it with core, so... I want to prune some of these messages. Oh, sometime on the agenda, I want to implement something that deletes, like, sets a channel and a message for deletion at a later time. So, like, say after a minute or whatever, the message will delete. Okay, gotta reopen the bot. Bot are edited. Alivent. Bot is running. And we'll drop core. Boop! I didn't find core in the directory. It is a new file. And if we try to drop something that already exists, it was found in the directory. It already exists. Very good. So... there we go. Oh, I programmed in some sass for Brazen if you try to run the create character command a couple times. You dumb nuts, it's there. Check again. Already ran the command, idiot. It is required for Brazen to be sassy. In the state that it's currently in, if you try to message Brazen right now, it's probably going to give you a message saying you're not on the list. That's a huge work in progress, too. One of the things I'm not good at is formatting the messages. I have no idea how they should look, but we are working on it from time to time. Let's see. We're probably looking for like an OS copy. I'll go back to my documentation. We'll type in Python OS copy file. And we'll see what the Goog says. What is Shutil? Okay, so we gotta import Shutil. Mobility for copy and archive. Oh, that's cute. Awesome. Copy from source to destination. This has got to be a format string. And then this is going to be the same format string except underscore old. Okay. Kill the bot, give it a test. Give it the old spin there. Yeah. What a good bot. Did we not turn it into a format string? Oh, silly goose, we didn't make it an attachment. Oh. Let's try that one more time. Okay. That seemed to have worked. It copied it successfully. Think we're good. Your mum gay. Oh. Did I run the bot again? No, I didn't. It is a new file. No such file or directory. Oh, temp. Doi. We don't want to save to temp anymore. We want to save to experimental. That makes sense. Now I'm gonna change the one I send in there. That's so dumb. Okay. So now we're going to send the new updated file. So the new file should... The old file should say you mum gay, and the new file should say you are a silly goob. Alright, that demonstrates that that worked. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now... Hell yeah. Hell yeah. So I think we need 3 commands: promote, demote, and restore. Promote will move the thing up. So if it's an experimental, it'll move it into the stable folder, and everything in the stable folder loads by default. However, promote, I think, will first try and load and unload the command, and if it throws any wacky errors, then it won't let it go into stable. So there should be a base minimum amount of testing for that. But to be honest, the functionality now exists for me to You know, at the same time, a couple of my thoughts are, upon doing this upload, one of the things that I probably should do is check and see if the file runs. That's a good thought. So for the time being, I'll just fill out commands dot command asynchronous define demote All right. We're gonna be right back. I think I'm gonna eat me some waffles or something. If you got any questions about how any of this works, please let me know. Alright, I lied. We're not gonna have us, whatever it says I was eating, we're gonna have us some meat with our rotten cabbage. Alright. So I have some dumb ideas here, if we actually want to test out and see if it runs. Maybe, maybe not. Oh my god, is this speeding up? There's some whackness going on my end. Oh hey, if you didn't know, the question mark channel thing works. Watch this. Oh no. Looks like it worked. I didn't listen to what it did, but then again, I already know what it does. Alright, so at this point, I think the core commands are in a good enough state that I could run it from there. What else did I say I was going to do today? I think I wanted to get the character creation thing working again. File not found. Somewhere in here I have a print statement. In the data wrangler. So I'm looking for 4892. Inside of data, 4892. Seems to have worked for everybody, really. Okay. Well, it seemed to work. And if I run it again, it should tell me the same-ish things. I don't know why it didn't work when I tried that with somebody else. It's under JSON functions, data wrangler. I don't know what would be worth looking into. Implementing logging? What? Oh, it's been a while since I've touched this. Okay, so here's what happened. We tried to do a load and it said file not found. We do some whack checks here. Alright. Got us some tasty, yummy, rotten cabbage. The devil's cabbage. Actually, to be honest, that's all that needs to happen so far. So it's operating exactly as it should. The num thing is not, for some weird reason. I wonder why that's not working. So we're running our tests of our code after this line. This check only happens if we are running it from this file. If we import, this line won't run. So our function was called breakup input. Okay. No, I changed my mind. I don't think I like this method. Yes. You can actually make the bot say banana. We're working on character creation now and I hate it. We want to take user inputs and do something based on that. And I'm just looking at the consequences of feeding it bad inputs, which will be non-ideal. Although, Split has a default thing, doesn't it? I think Split has a maximum amount of times you will do it. Max Split, yeah. Never mind. Yes, we will be adding all of the sass eventually. Okay, that should split it a maximum of 1 times, resulting in name, and then with the nasties. Yep. Okay, that's perfect. Now what do I want to do with those key pairs? I probably want to do a really nasty, It's gonna be strings regardless, so we can use regular expressions. Let's do value equals key pair index 1. If key pair index 0 dot lower You know what? No. Here's another idea. Valid key equals, we'll do a tuple. This is going to be all of the valid entries that it could possibly be. So, name, age, race. Alright, so if that was one of the valid inputs, then we can simply do output dictionary dot update. And this will look like I guess we don't really need to grab the value of it. That's kind of silly, since we're just going to break it out like this anyways. Key pair index 1. This could result in silliness if we don't have an index thing. This is all whack to me, dude. I'm not good at this. I am already can tell you that there's going to be an error here, so maybe this should be inside of a try. Invalid syntax. Oops. Oh. The dot is wrong. Update expected 1 arguments, got 2. Oh. Dictionary element has length 16, 2 is required. Ah! Why? We'll try it this way. Key pair index 0 equals key pair index 1. Oh, there's us feeding it bad input. It didn't do it for the other one? That's wiggity whack. It should have done an age too. Alright. Oh. Gotcha. We needed to cut the extra spaces before and after. That makes sense. So that was us needing to clean the inputs more. There we go. Beautiful. Now the next thing we want to do is clean these. Much better. We'll call this one squeaky clean value. So we're going to do regular expression right here. We want everything. We want to remove. We're selecting everything that is not A through Z, capital A through capital Z, and 0 through 9. We're capturing everything that is not that, and then we're going to replace it with nothingness. So now we should input squeaky clean value, and that should remove that extra colon that we stuck in. Aims? Oh no! What has happened? It didn't do what we thought it was gonna do. Now it did. I was wrong. Ugh, but we probably want to do different cleaning methods for each type of entry. Like age is a numerical entry, so we only want to keep heck, man. It's not gonna be simple. We might not want to do this then. How about... let's try just making a new one. Ha! You're on stream, Flare. Anyways, that's all I think I'm gonna mess with on stream right now. I gotta run 1,000 calculations in my big ol' brainum. I want to refactor this so that it is going to have a different function depending on what state of creation we're at. I don't know. We'll see. To be honest, this would be way simpler if I just asked one single question at a time of the user. But why would we do that? We want to over-engineer this and get yelled at later for it. Thanks for tuning in, and we will see you next time, my friends.